Okay, so here's a glue gun. It's a 120 watt hot melt glue gun. It is from this website. It's from Bestorx, bestorx.com. There's the link to get it. Okay, and let's see what was in the package. So this was the box. It's a simple box, and inside was a short manual, the glue gun itself, and I received 6 glue sticks. I already used one, so it's a pretty long one. The plug, it says it's for 250 volts AC, but since I'm in Europe I can't use that plug. I need something like this one, and here's an adapter for that. So I had to use this adapter in order to be able to use it. This one has a 3 amp fuse inside. There something is visible inside. Okay, so this one has an adjustable temperature knob here. The temperature can be adjusted between 100 degrees Celsius and 220 degrees Celsius. You can use either your fingernail or better use a flathead screwdriver, and then you can rotate this knob to adjust the temperature. Okay, this little hole was created by me because the LED was not visible behind this sticker. Now I just made a hole there and now it's visible. So this light is showing you when the glue gun itself is being heated. Okay, and there's another light, this one here in the back, this one, that is for the power. So it shows you when the glue gun is powered. Okay, it has a large trigger. It's pretty easy to use because of the size. Okay, it has a stand which allows you to use it vertically and should not tip over too easily. Okay, and here is the input for the glue sticks. It accepts glue sticks between 10.5 and 11.5 millimeter diameter. Okay, and a glue stick, this is an 11 millimeter diameter glue stick. This one should enter there at the end, and it enters around till here, around 10 centimeters will enter. This one was already used, so I can't plug it in. There you can see the end. The glue gun is filled with a glue stick. Okay, and after you push it in, then you just push that one, and even now it pushed it in a little bit. Okay, so you can see the advancement of the glue stick on that hole. This nozzle is pretty thin, so it will fit in smaller places also. The opening is small also, so it will not leave a large diameter glue. Okay, this portion will heat up when it is in use, and slightly even here it will heat up. Maybe the temperature control creates that heat. Okay, and since I used it, now I cannot move this tip, but this tip is removable. It has thread inside there, so you can unscrew it after you heat it up. And this one has a one-way valve inside, so the glue is limited. It won't drip out too much, just a little bit that is inside here in this area. About these glue sticks, the clearer the glue stick, the higher temperature it needs and the more resistant that glue stick it is. So for example, a yellow glue stick will need 120 degrees, a white stick will need 150 degrees, and a transparent one would need 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it has overheating protection. That light that I just showed you, that comes on when it is heated, and thus less energy is being wasted. So this is that small little light which shows you that it is really heated. A bad part is that it does not have an on-off switch. but at least it has this thermostat which turns off the entire unit when heat generation is not needed. The entire unit weighs around 160 grams, so let's try it somehow. Now it shows more because there is a half a stick inside. Now it shows 290 grams, but without that glue stick inside it should be around 160 grams. The nozzle diameter is around 2 millimeters, so this one on the tip, 2.3 millimeters inside. Flow of glue, it says 15 and 20 grams per minute, but if it's heated up you can pump out that glue just in a few seconds, I say. Less than a minute. The cord length, it says 140 centimeters, but it is almost 2 meters. So now currently it's on the lowest temperature setting, 100 degrees Celsius, and if I raise it by turning it to the right, that LED will instantly come on. Let's set it to the maximum value, 220 degrees. Let's wait until this will turn off. As I see on the camera, both of the LEDs are blinking. I can't see that blinking with my own eyes. So the LED did not turn off yet, but it is already warm in this area. And I just wet my finger, and that part is hot. Okay, so now it starts turning itself off. It took quite a few minutes to start that. Okay, and after using it on the maximum setting, 220 volts, it is pretty hot in this area, almost I can't hold it, and it is a bit warm here also at the handle. No LED, no power consumption.